Can you keep up? Can you keep up? When we hold you for the juve. When we hold you for the juve.
So guess what? Welcome back to another episode of Explore767. Today we are headed to, you wouldn't guess, Syndicate Waterfalls. No, I'm not a hiker because God knows I'm not fit, so I can't manage. But we are going. I'm ready. I'm waiting, and we are going to. I don't know how the trail looking. We're going to explore. I'm going to whatever I have to do, jump, skip, run, slide. God forbid, I hope I don't slide. Anyway, we are going to Syndicate Waterfalls. My whole crew, everybody, some of them up there already. It's already after 3, but it doesn't really matter. We are still going. We are in Roseau, so it's about, say, 30 minutes to Syndicate. That's just after Dublin. See you there. See you there. Your girl not so fit. But I believe the trail is for anybody, whether you fit, whether you average fit, whether you not fit, or you sometimes fit. But I think it is possible and it is manageable for all who want to try it. So we are going to go hiking to go to Syndicate Waterfalls. I'll show you what it looks like. I have no idea what level of difficulty it is, but we'll see when we get there. It's my first time going. I'm being a local tourist in Dominica as many times as I can, and I'm taking you along with me. So you now take the time to go and visit these places because it's part of yours. It's your culture. What? It's your country. It's your culture. It's your heritage. Your everything. Explore it. Let's go out and explore. 767, baby. See ya.
Me and my woman alone on the road. And we don't check in nobody. We don't check in nobody. We out on the road. Woman alone on the road. And we don't check in nobody. We don't check in nobody. We out on the road. You see me? I'm a one woman.
We have arrived at the entrance of Syndicate Falls. Now to take the trek, the 15-minute trek to this place, Syndicate Falls. We are ready. I don't know what they're getting, but I walk in still. They're getting something.
Hey, I will sue. Oh, sorry. What is wrong with you? Yeah, that's a joke though.
So are you coming back?
Huh?
Why are you coming back?
I going for my love. What is that coming
I'm glad.
Yeah.
I should have recorded that. Go over there, man. Go over there. Go away.
That's how come on up me boy. I'm the Mr. Boy. Yeah, I don't have to Mr. Boy. Yeah, go ahead, I'll get up for you.
We were just told we have a long walk.
Definitely, especially as you say, it's a long thing.
You just said that sounded like an exaggeration.
Yes, yeah, no, him.
So you want
But-
to reverse all the way back there, Justin?
I can reverse all the way in.
Okay,
I've done this.
Okay, carry your bag, carry everything. You all in the bag, you going in the vehicle. Go.
When I come out from audio,
Why we gonna walk with your load? Man, go for your transfer, go.
let's just we shall sit over there and then let's
Seriously? Okay. Well, depending on how far we have to walk, he might go for the vehicle. Huh?
We got it. We got it.
So go for it, go for it. We walk in still. So I have Adrian with me, and we're gonna take the walk.
I'm not hungry, so I'm
Ask her why she not eating. But anyway, I can't say nothing because I had one chicken on the way here.
supposed
So.
to get KFC.
Oh.
KFC was closed. So I must-
Oh snap! So you just snacking. Well, that happens sometimes. Next time when we plan, We'll get the food early in advance
Yeah.
and we'll get it. Yeah. Wait a while now, we still have to walk up. Yes. Where the rest of the signage?
We're going the right way, right?
We both here for the first time.
Yes, we're here. We can water. You hear it?
Probably Dublin River.
You hear it?
Yeah.
Direction.
I get in my exercise for the week. Lord. It's a good thing I eat that chicken.
I was throwing your chicken.
God. I'm just making you hungry, eh?
KFC.
It was crispy actually.
Oh. Oh.
Look, I'm tired already.
Fresh.
Probably just the first one.
Oh. Sorry.
Just eat it because you haven't eaten. Don't worry about the freshness, just eat it. Because you hungry. Oh.
Disgusting.
Well, choose your battle. Stale crackers or hunger. They come in. Let's see if we can reach the top before they reach. Let's go. We can do this. Reach. Dong so? Oh, that's the office. But it's closed. You want to try to go in it? No. Oh? Interesting. There's a tree house. First time coming here. We don't know where we walk into. We just following the trail. There are a couple signs along the way. And we are a little breathless. But I am. Because we ran up the hill thinking there was a lot more to run up. And there was no barricade. Unfortunately, there was a barricade. So it made no sense we run. But we got the little exercise, you know. Anyway, we're eating her crackers. And I forgot my water, so I'm dead thirsty. But when I go into that water, the body will absorb it. And I guess I'll be just fine. Just found out we have rivers to cross. So we have just arrived at the first river. I believe this is Dublin River. Let's go cross. I hope I don't fall. Adri's out of her comfort zone, so this is really a challenge for her. But all those who think they can't do it, do like Adri and just do it. Fall in the water. I'm not going to walk on any more stones. I'm walking in the water. Mother! Almost lost my slipper. You know, cannot find his drone. Have you found it? You'll find it, I'm sure. God, what's on the stone? If it's sulfur or if it's just moss, I don't even know. What is it? We have finally arrived. Woo! Yeah! The water, that it has sulfur in it. That's why that color it has sulfur. Okay, the back down is just to take out and jump inside because everybody come out already and we reach it. And they over there freezing. Okay. They're freezing their butt off.
Yeah.
And come out. Freezing, shaking man. You cold? You freezing cold? It is windy. Water cold. I like to be freezing like this over there. And my cold water. No, that look like falling. Alright, so I have finally made it to Syndicate. The water is so cold, but it is so refreshing. Listen, you're gonna wanna try this. Huh? Oh, you stand up. I'm gonna try to go further, but I'm hoping the phone doesn't fall. I'm walking in the pool of the falls. It's so noisy, I don't even know if you can hear me, and it's as windy as ever. Woo! Can you see? Look at all this wind. Yeah. It's standing. Here has sand. Yeah. It is amazing. You should come and enjoy. Oh God, my phone not waterproof. Come and enjoy. This is Syndicate Falls, also known as Milton Falls. Come anytime, come and enjoy. There's stones when you just enter, but there's a lot of sand right here. I am this close, but I'm enjoying it anyway. I don't think I can go any further, and I am. I will go in the water. Going down. No, I can't swim, but the water is reaching me just about here, and I am about 5 feet from the fall. Yeah, I can't swim, but I'll try. So they're probably going to young Okay, this is as far as I go. We are done. The day is done. The water was so refreshing. I will definitely be back. Yes. I feel fresh and clean and renewed and rejuvenated and cool. Oh my goodness. I did not want to come out. Trust me, you cannot miss this. Make sure you come to Milton Falls, also known as Syndicate Falls. It was amazing. Whew. Just lie down in the water and just take in everything. relax, and feel the breeze, feel the coolness. Oh man, today was a well-needed day. Now that's what you call body bath bliss. Yes. Today, now we're making the trek back. We're gonna cross the river 3 times, and then that's it for today. It was amazing. I will definitely be back with my crew every weekend, every Saturday. We're going somewhere new. See you next time on Explore767. Bye. So we got families, we got kids, everybody making their way to the falls. It's a very simple hike. It is basically a level 1. Kids just passed me with their mom, and come with your friends, come with your family, enjoy it. I feel so cool. Listen, this is a whole new type of cool after bathing in that waterfall. I feel cool. I feel so nice. It's not even hot. It's very, very cool, refreshing. Oh, even my hairstyle changed. It habits. Anyway, see y'all next time. Bye.